Samsung, you done did it again.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Support. Man, you know we review appliances. Today we're going to focus on the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo all-in-one 5.3 cubic feet ultra capacity washer and ventless heat pump dryer in dark steel. Man, I know it's a mouthful, man. If you're new to the channel, we review appliances. We talk everything appliances. We also have repair videos to help you repair your appliances as well. All right, but this is just an introduction to the appliance that we're going to work on. If you're new to the channel, we break down our appliances in 4 different categories. We talk about the functions and the features. What are some of the capabilities and what it's capable, what can it do? What are some of the bells and whistles? We talk about the price, how much it's going to cost you. Might cost you a little, might cost you a lot. Either way, it's going to cost you. We talk about the warranty, the manufacturer warranty. We also talk about the cost per repair, the parts. How much it's going to cost you an average to repair your appliance when there's no more manufacturer warranty? What are some of the common issues that typically go bad? We're also going to give you the parts and with markup, and we're going to give you a labor. So we're going to give you a particular range and how much we think that you should be spending on your appliance depending on the service company that comes out. And of course, we give you our final review to let you know how we feel about the appliance. We also recommend the appliance and give it a GPA and let you know exactly how we feel. But again, this is just an introduction to the all-in-one AI Laundry Combo by Samsung. So a couple things to look forward to. I'm gonna just go through this real quick. No load transfer, Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Talk about the largest capacity and the fastest cycle time. Wash and dry in 98 minutes. We talk about super speed wash and dry. It says fit more in every load. A laundry day made more efficient. All right, so these are a couple things we can look at. Remotely schedule cycles, right? It also has an easy to use AI home screen, 7-inch wide LCD display, touch screen control. It also says takes the guesswork out of the cycle selection. All right, you got wash load sensing, fabric sensing, water level sensing, soil sensing, detergent sensing, dry level sensing. So many different sensing cycles that you do, man. When we talk about skip adding detergent, 47 loads of detergent automatically dispensed. Same thing for the load of softeners, 25 loads of detergent. This is the flex dispense. All right, so we talk about not nearby or not to worry, the auto open door at the end of the drying cycle. We also have a bubble powered washing. This is AI bubbles, creates a cleansing from the cleansing foam that seeps into the fabrics for an effective wash. Gently remove stains. You got a steam setting that you can use. It says convenience and maintenance built in. So a couple things that we can look at: easy maintenance, remove lint. We talk about take 5 minutes left. The high Bixby tell the remaining time of the washing machine. 120 volts, so you can plug it into just about any outlet in your home, and of course it's non-venting. All right, so it also have here, it says features made for both efficiency and sustainability. All right, great performance using less energy, and it says help keeps ocean cleaner. All right, also energy saving without compromise. It says Tide Code certified, and it also has a 20-year warranty on the washing machine digital inverter motor. All right, so of course I'm your boy Richie Rich. We going into the lab, dissecting this appliance, letting you know how we feel about it. You help me, I help you, we both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Peace.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we